Good morning everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is symmetry and patterns. Your learning objectives are students will be able to investigate basic line symmetry and design their own repeating patterns. Pattern are repeating arrangement of shapes. Symmetrical, for example, when the two halves of a shape are mirror images of each other, this is called reflection symmetry. Here is the example of pattern. Look at this one pattern. Purple, red, purple, green. Purple, red, purple, green. Same color we are following. And the shape is rectangle, purple rectangle, red rectangle, purple rectangle, green rectangle. So the color and the shape is same. This is how you can continue the pattern. Look at the second one pattern. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. If you will see the shape, see the shapes are going same. Look at the last one pattern. Look at the color, blue, red, blue, yellow, blue, red, blue, yellow. And these are all the triangles. Okay, this is how you will make the pattern. All are the repeated shapes. This is example of symmetrical. If I draw a line of symmetry like this, you can see one half and the second half, they are same. Let's draw a line of symmetry on the second one shape. Now see the first one half and the second one half, they both are same. These are the examples of symmetrical. Okay, these shapes are symmetrical now. Okay, now move to the next one slide. Okay, your question is, look at the patterns, color to show which shapes come next. These are the shapes. Now you will color the shape which will come next. See, here is square, triangle, square, triangle, square. Now which shape will come next after the square? Yes, that is triangle. So we will color the triangle. Let's color the triangle. I am choosing red color. Now I am coloring the triangle. So this means this shape will come next. Okay, this is how we will color the triangle. Okay, look at the second one. Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Which shape will come next now after the rectangle? Yes, that is circle. Okay, now let's color the circle now. Okay, this is how we will color the circle now. Look at the third one question. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Which shape will come next now after the circle? Yes, again square. Now color the square. This is how we will color the square. Now look at the last one part. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. What will come next? Yes, rectangle. Okay, now let's color the rectangle now. See, this is how we will color the rectangle. So this slide is only for the practice. Okay, this is how you will color the shapes which will come next. Now let's move to the next one slide. Look at this one slide. Trace the shapes, look at each patterns and draw the shapes that come last. You will draw the shape that come last and you will also trace all these shapes. We will trace the shapes and the next shape which will come we will draw over here on this one box. Okay. Now first trace the shape. Okay, I am going to trace, this is a triangle, this is square, triangle, square. Now which shape will come next now? Triangle. Very good. Now I draw the triangle in the last one box. Okay. Now look at again second one line, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay. Now first trace the shapes and we will draw the shape in the last one box. Which will shape come over here? Yes, again rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. What we have after the rectangle? Circle. Okay. First we will trace the shapes. Rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Now after the rectangle we have again the circle. This is how we will draw the shape in the last one box. Okay. Now move to the third one. Circle, hexagon. Hexagon, circle. One circle, two hexagon, one circle. Now what will come the next one shape after the circle? Yes, hexagon. Let's trace and draw the shape. Circle, hexagon, 2 times hexagon, again circle. Now what we will draw at the end? Hexagon again. Okay, this is how you will draw the hexagon. Okay. Now look at this one. 2 triangle, 1 rectangle. 1 triangle, what will come next? Again triangle. Okay. First trace and then draw the shape. Triangle, 2 times triangle, 1 time rectangle. Again 1 time triangle. Again we will draw a 1 triangle at the end. Okay, this is how you will complete this one part. Now look at the last one. Circle, triangle, hexagon. Circle, again which shape will come? Triangle. Now let's trace the shape and draw the shape also. Circle, triangle, hexagon, circle. After the circle we have triangle. Now this slide is also for the practice. This is how you will trace the shapes and you will draw the pattern which will come at the end. Okay. Now look at this one shape. Here you will complete the pattern. Now at the middle with whatever shape will come, you will draw that one shape over here. Okay. Square, triangle, square, what will come over here? Which shape will come over here? Again triangle, then square, then triangle. Now let's draw the triangle. Now look at the next. Rectangle, triangle. What will come again over here? Yes, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. Let's draw the rectangle now. Okay, this is how you will draw the rectangle. Come on the next one. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Again what will come? Circle. Very good. Now let's draw the circle. Okay. Now look at this one line. Triangle, what will come next? Okay. Now you will start. Yes, Start the shapes from your right side. Oval, triangle, oval, triangle. What will come over here now again? Oval. Now here we will draw the oval. This is how we will draw oval over here. Okay. Very good. Now look at the last one. Now see the shape from your right side. Square, circle, square. What will come over here again? Circle. Very good. Now let's draw the circle over here. Okay, this is how we will complete the pattern. Now move to the next one slide. Yes. Now on this one slide we have two parts. Your first part is color the butterfly to make it symmetrical. Okay, we will color this one butterfly to make it symmetrical. First we will draw the line of symmetry and then we will color it. And the second part is color the symmetrical shapes. From these three shapes, which shape are symmetrical, we will circle that one shapes. Okay, first we will do the first one part. Okay, now here I will draw a line of symmetry. Okay, this is a line of symmetry. Now I am going to color the butterfly. Okay, on this one portion we will do the orange color. Okay, the same color I will do on the other one side to make it symmetrical. Okay, the both sides should be same. Okay, this is how we will complete the color. Now I am choosing the second color. Now if I will do a green color over here, the second part should be also green because we have to make it this butterfly symmetrical. Now this is the line of symmetry and the both sides are same. Okay. Now the second part is circle the symmetrical shapes. Now from these three shapes, your first shape is symmetrical because the both sides are same. This triangle is also symmetrical, so I will also circle this one triangle. This tree is not symmetrical, so I am going to put a cross on it. Okay. These are symmetrical and this is not the symmetrical. Okay, now move to the next one slide. Okay, very good. Look at this one. What we have on this one slide? We have a butterfly. Okay, now one side is already here. Now we have to draw the other side to make it symmetrical. First we will draw the line of symmetry in the center. Okay, see, this is a line of symmetry. Okay, now I am completing the other side also. I will also use the black color to make it symmetrical. Now this is how I draw the butterfly. Okay, now the both sides are same. See, the both halves are same. So this is the example of symmetrical. Okay, now yes, on this one slide we have a ladybird. Now we have to draw the other side also with same method. First I will draw the line of symmetry, then I choose my black color and I will complete the other side also with the same lines. I will draw this one ladybird. I am just tracing that one. Okay, now see, the both sides are same. So this is also the example of line of symmetry. Okay, now everyone take out your notebook, math notebook and get ready for some written work. Take out your pencil, your scale and your colors also. Okay, what we will do? First of all, prepare your page. At the top of your left side, write it on the day, that is Thursday, with capital T. Write down the spelling of Thursday. Then leave some space write on the spelling of classwork with capital C. You will write it on the spelling of classwork. Then leave some space. Now put your date, that is 24th December 2020. With very neat writing, you will write it down, your day, your classwork and your date. Give proper distance. And then with neat writing, put your date and day. Now in the next one line, you will write down the topic, spelling of topic with the capital T. You will write down the spelling of topic and underline it. Next, in the center of your page, you will write down the name of your topic, that is symmetry and patterns. Write down the spelling of symmetry and patterns with proper distance. With very neat writing, you will write down the spelling of your topic, that is symmetry and patterns. Then leave one line and start writing your question. Your question is complete the patterns. Write down the spelling of complete. Then give one finger distance. Write down the patterns. Okay, with proper distance and with very neat writing, you will write down the question. Okay, after the question, leave one line and draw these shapes. Yes. Okay, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Now, on these two lines, you will draw the next two shapes. Okay, these two shapes you can also draw with your color. Draw these shapes with your pencil. Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Okay, next two shapes you will draw with your color. If you don't have a color, you can use your pencil. Now again, after the rectangle, again I will draw a circle and then the rectangle. Let me draw again. This is circle, rectangle. You can also use your color. If you don't have a color, you can also draw with your pencil. Okay, now look at the second one part. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. On these two lines, you will draw the next two patterns, next two shapes. Okay, now which will come next now? Let's draw the shapes. After the triangle, again we have the circle and again we have the triangle. Now these two shapes you will draw over here to make the complete the pattern. Okay, next is, now look at this one. Now look at this one. Okay, now you have done part A, part B. Now come on the third one part C. Now what we have on this one part? Oval, square, oval, square, oval, square. Okay, now on these four lines, now you will draw the next four shapes. Okay, how to draw the next four shapes? Okay, again we have the oval, then we have the square, again we have the oval, again we have the square. This is how you will draw the next four shapes to make the pattern. Okay, look at the last one. Triangle, star, triangle, star, triangle, star. Now on these last two lines, which two shapes will come? You will draw those one shapes. Now after the star, we have again the triangle, and in the last one we have the star now. Okay, this is how you will draw the star now. Okay, the last two lines we will draw the next two shapes. This is how you will complete your written work. Okay, with very neat writing. You can also use the colors. Draw the shapes properly and then complete the pattern. Okay, now that is it for today. I hope you people understand what I have said. Now you will complete your work neatly. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.